welcome to today's video. I'm going to share with you 5 secrets on how to save money on makeup while shopping online. So let's get straight into the video. So tip number 1 is check coupon sites for promo codes. So when shopping online, you can search websites for promo codes while you're checking out your favorite items at the checkout to try and find more money. WeThrift is a great coupon website that shows lots of different coupon codes. I will show you their website here, and they have many different brands on there, and all you have to do is click on the coupon, then it is copied to your clipboard, then you can paste it into your promo code box on your desired website. So a great website that I like to use is Beauty Bay, Cult Beauty. They also have Fenty Beauty. They have so many shops. So every time I shop online and buy some makeup or skincare, I always check WeThrift. WeThrift is one of the best websites out there. Tip number 2 is install WeThrift Chrome extension. So if you use Google Chrome as your web browser, you can download the WeThrift Chrome extension. So what the WeThrift Chrome extension does is if you're shopping on a website, they will notify you if there is a coupon available from their website for the website that you're shopping on. For example, if you're shopping on Huda Beauty and you see a little notification pop up from WeThrift Chrome extension, then they can say if there's a coupon available, and then you can apply it to checkout. It's super fast, super easy and simple. Tip number 3 is if you're shopping on mobile, you can download the WeThrift app. I always find apps are a lot easier than just Googling on a web browser. I think apps are very quick, easy, simple, a fast way to find coupon codes. So you can search them on the WeThrift app, and then if there are coupons for that website that you're looking for, then you can simply copy and paste them onto the website, and then the coupon will be applied and you've saved yourself a lot of money on makeup and beauty. Tip number 4 is actually leaving items in your cart. So what a lot of websites and stores do is actually give you discount codes if you leave items in your basket. So the main thing that you need to do is create an account on the website. Then you need to log in before you start shopping, and then you obviously add all the items and beauty bits that you want into your basket, and then you can just leave it, and you can leave it for a day or two, and then they can send you lots of great coupons and save you lots of money. So a great example is Anise. Anise is a shopping website, and if you leave it 24 hours and more, they'll give you a 15% off discount code, and if you leave it 48 hours, they will also give you 20% off. So the discount code has gone higher. So this is another great example of why you should always leave some items in your basket. Tip number 5 is sign up for emails and newsletters. So one of the easiest ways to save money and to get the promo codes is actually just to sign up to the newsletters and the email subscription, and they will send you loads of promo codes. They might even send you a discount to start off with, and then in the future, if they ever have any more discount codes or promo codes, you will be sent them through the newsletter for signing up. So that is always a great thing, and always check your spam just in case they ever go in there as well. So for example, here is an email from the Beauty Spy, and they give you a 20% discount just for signing up for their newsletter. Really easy, really quick, and it saves you money instantly as soon as you sign up, which is really great. So I hope you enjoyed these 5 tips on how to save money while shopping online for beauty and makeup. I really hope you enjoyed this video.